isama na lang yung isang grupo since may ibang group pa napapasok.
The show will start in a few minutes. Awesome! Hi bros! I just gonna enjoy this beautiful... Hello! What is this?
Museum.
Museum! Okay, let's see.
Hello, Justin here, Josh Martin there. Say hi to the camera, Josh.
What?
I said say hi to the camera, Josh.
I know this is not a camera.
Oh, okay.
This is a device. Okay, hi! Okay.
We're here in the Mall of Asia and we're just watching. We're gonna watch a movie.
Maybe.
With our popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn. Wait. Snack time. Snack time. Food. I'm boom. I'm hungry.
Really good, bro.
Yeah, bro. Aku brother.
Okay students, make sure na wala tayong iwang banks kayo sa isang row ha. Occupy natin lahat ng vacancy. Okay, para hindi na
Oh my God, it's moving. It's moving. Walay pa kayo ha. It's moving. What the? Oh my God, there's an earthquake. Oh my God. Wow. Earthquake. Bro, this. Bro, this. The earthquake stop.
Tingin nga ako.
Okay, sige, forward po tayo sa baba. Yung mga vacancy
Pag
natin sa baba.
eksaktong 5, sasabihin mo pag malapit na mag-5 ba, mga 5:40, sabihin mo para masabi ko na may pupuntahin na tayo na saglit, tapos tsaka ka mag-video ulit.
Okay, dito po sa upper seats, may mga vacancies pa po. Forward na lang po tayo para makaupo na rin yung ibang estudyante.
Sabihin natin na hindi tayo pupunta na hindi kailangan na dapat walang camera.
If you know Justin's mean.
No, I'm not mean, bro. I just wanted some privacy.
So you mean we're going to a toilet?
No, not a toilet, bro.
Use rocks, bro.
I'm just gonna put my water in the cup holder.
Okay ba, dito na lang po tayo sa taas.
You know
Forward
what
po
the
tayo
best?
ng mga vacancies
What's
po
the
natin
best
sa
thing
taas.
in movies, in movie theaters? The best thing is not the quality of the movie. It's the cup holder.
Cup holders. Yeah. Cup holders. Rocks. Wait a minute. You copy my...
No, I didn't copy you.
No, you copied. Cup holder rocks.
Cup holders.
What's the negative of it? Good graphics sucks. Yeah, bros. Are you ready for it? Bro, okay, bros. Oh my God. Okay, bros.
Naman, stop mo muna hanggang sa mag-play.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
We will start the show in a few seconds. For your best viewing experience, please turn off all your mobile devices and refrain from taking pictures while the show is ongoing. After the show, please exit to the right side of the theater. Thank you and enjoy the experience.
Okay, bro,
but
peace.
you need to.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.